Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JB of Jonax Beauty here as always. Meet my friend, my model. Her name is Katie, and today we're going to be transforming Katie into a beautiful, gorgeous Nigerian bride. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please come along with me. Yeah, so I have gone ahead to prep her skin. I've cleansed her skin and moisturized and done all that good stuff off camera, and I'm going in with a foundation. If you guys are familiar with my technique, you know that I start with my eyes first, but I have been trying out the skin first technique, and I must confess that I absolutely love it. So this is the technique we are using in this video today. I've applied the foundation and then gone in with a beauty blender to further blend it in. And using the concealer, I'm highlighting the high point of her face. You guys know the drill as usual, and I'm trying to use as little product as possible. You want to do that really gently. Make sure that you get every part of her face that you want highlighted, and then you go in with a beauty sponge. I would love for you guys to leave a comment about this technique that I'm using. It's a different technique, like I said earlier. If you love this technique, let me know what you think. Like, if you notice any difference in my previous technique and this new technique that I'm adopting, kindly leave your comments in the comment section below. It would mean the absolute world to me. So now I'm just going in with a setting powder. I usually, like you see from the video, that I usually go in first to blend the concealer in again, and then go in with powder. I have put the powder on my palm just so that I have a proper blend when I set the powder onto the face. So I'm just going in with that same powder to set the places where I applied the concealer. And yeah, you want to gently pick your product, guys, which is the reason why I put my product on my palm first. This way I'm able to control the amount of product that I get on my brush or on my blender. I decided to cream contour as well in this video. As you all know, most times I do powder contour, but I decided to cream contour in this video, and I absolutely love it. So still going in with that cream contour, and then I'll follow it up with a powder contour just to set in the cream product that I applied earlier. Guys, when you come for your makeup session, you don't just get your makeup, you get a really fun and bomb ass session. That's if you're up for it. And if you just want to sit there and have your makeup done, we also do that as well. So book us, just send us an email to make your bookings. I will be so happy to glam you up for whatever occasion that you have. Moving straight into the brows, gently using the brow pencil to fill in her brows. You want to really do this softly, then use the spoolie to comb in the product into the hair, just to make sure that you have a uniform, application. And then I'm defining her brows using a concealer. Guys, I'm in love with this look. I'm in love with the outcome of this, this technique. I love this technique of skin first. It makes everything really, really soft. So I'm prepping her eyelids here for the eyeshadow application, and then going in with a brown eyeshadow. I think I'm using my EA Beauty palette here. Guys, like I said, I'm addicted. I love this palette. So I'm using the EA Beauty, a brown shade in the EA Beauty palette, and then going in with a gold, a little champagne, and then a coral eyeshadow as well, and just blending all the eyeshadows in so that there's no precise definition. And for eyeliner, I'm using the Zaron gel eyeliner in jars. Using the blush, just applying just a bit, and moving on swiftly to highlighter. I'm mixing two different highlighters together and putting it on the high point of her face. All the places that light will naturally hit is where you want to apply your highlighter. And then I'm spraying her. You guys know that I love to spray because it further softens the look. And yes, we have the Gele. It's an African hair tie. I'm going to be tying that on her head. Katie was so lovely when tying this Gele. I was actually scared that she was going to be, because she's not used to it, I was scared that it was going to feel, like hard work. But she was lovely all through this process, guys. I enjoyed this. She didn't even flinch at all. She was a darling all through. She held all those places. She helped me all through it. She was patient. Thank you, Katie. Thank you. You are just amazing. So yeah, still tying the Gele. I'm just showing a bit of the process, and this is me adjusting the Gele. And here we are. I am lining her lips. I'm using a nude color because I feel that the eyes are already popping, and I would prefer a nude lipstick in this instance. And this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? Please give Katie a Yoruba name. Give Katie a Yoruba name in the comment section below. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, Jesus loves you. Bye.